everyone, it's your favorite FGC VTuber. So a mini update for the channel. It's the new year. I know I'm a bit late by 3 weeks it seems, but I figure, yeah, you know, let me get started. You guys see from the title, I'm gonna clear out some of my folders. So mini synopsis, I clearly do a lot of content, yada yada booga booga. You know, I just got this on, like, you guys released, this is the stuff I just released right now. So the first thing I released is probably, yeah, I think it was the Halo thing, but no, the true one was the podcast. I think that's how we started off. Not a bad start. We got our first meme to really pop off. But before I pop off some of this, there's gonna be content that I'm pumping up soon. You guys will see what me talking about. I'm taking segments from the podcast I did earlier with the podcast with Vile and Mar, talking about the Capcom thing. But anyways, I am going to be clearing out my folder. So believe it or not, this used to be a bit worse. I can get rid of this. That's just nothing more than my drive that I use to transfer stuff from my PS5 to whatever. And we also might be showing some clips too from my PS4. So I'm going to try to clear everything from my PS4 Pro and PS5, clips and everything, shorten, and then get rid of stuff like I don't have. So the way this worked is I have my old PC. In there I just had like an H hard drive, that's what it was called, and all my clips would always be there, stuff, and then I would semi-organize them. Like, we'll see now how they sound. Let's see. They would be kind of like this, right? Large icons. But then some would be here, whatever. I didn't have a stream essentials, but I'd have them spread out. I had two different music folders of music here that I downloaded stuff, music, and whatever. Before, this would be all over, and this would keep happening, right? And then, okay, maybe I would move them over, whatever. So as you guys can see now, right now, not that bad, actually, you know? But I do have some stuff here, right? The other one is on an SSD, and look at this cancer. This isn't that bad. This is still more or less organized. But I would kind of just have, past streams. Like, I literally lazy, past streams. They put stream this, and I didn't even have these organized. Like, it was bad. It was super bad. I mean, and it's not getting there, but the thing is, I have a huge backlog and things that I really should get out the way, as we can clearly see. Right now, I just transferred that over so it doesn't destroy my main hard drive. I mean, look, that's almost a terabyte, and there's only 253. I'm gonna do a Street Fighter thing, and then most importantly, I'm gonna try to, right now, I'm trimming the fat of stuff I already have. So how I'm starting, everything's already done. That's the good thing is, YouTube stuff has its own folder. Meme, and the bright side is here's where we're at. We got memes and everything, and that's where we're starting first. I want to start with things that I know. And here's the one that's the slowest, and some already have names, but the way I do it is I will click, because sometimes I record these, right? Like, it'll show the YouTube stamp, and then I'll make them play something like this. Here's an example. Hold up.
Don't fuck your sister.
And the volume difference is crazy, but these are for my editing when I do meme videos, actually. So you guys know how the sauce is made. Yeah, see, look, and this is just only, and there, like I said, at least when it came to me and editing stuff, and earlier I had these just like here, right? Like all over the place. I don't know, it happens, right? Just so I can really feel the progression. Right now, this is one of the bigger ones. I don't know if I want to trim this, but yeah, as you guys can see, it's a lot. I'll try to name them if I want. I'm like, what the heck is this? You guys clearly, right? See? Like, I want to black it out so then it wastes less megabytes. I'm pretty sure I could do that. But yeah, I gotta do that next time when I record these clips. If I'm doing Twitter stuff, just put like a layout that blacks everything but the thing I'm watching. Because yeah, a lot of this stuff takes a bit right now. I just want to decrease the size. Like, look. Okay, so what's the size of memes, right? See, memes is 8 gigabytes. Not that bad, right? You got done editing off of DaVinci, and I think this is a compilation of all the cutscenes, which I'm still using for the Resident Evil review. So you guys, I have the Resident Evil review and the combo video still in the works. You guys can see I still have the stuff here, and it's taking, that's crazy, really, 6 gigabytes, but that's not too bad, because once I finish Project Boom, it's gone, right? This is already good. This is nice. So then we can, I want this to be at least mega free, and then I want to see if I can probably move some of this stuff to the B file, or if I might still use the SSD because it's super fast. But yeah, that's our goal for today, and let's see how we go. I'll probably post a clip here or there that I think is funny. I mean, how long has this been going? God damn. 6 minutes, holy shit, just me explaining it. I'm transferring this BB tag to the other one in my other folder from streams into the big one, which is the original PS4, which is 60 gigs. Now, the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to have 60 gigabytes, or I'm going to sort it from oldest, and I'm going to go to my last edited video of BB tag and see what date that was, and then from there, just delete everything underneath. That means I've already done it, you know, super simple way to do it, right? Ready to see how big BB tag is. Oh, wait, actually, it's gone down a bit. Now, look at the chibi. Some of this is actually not chibi stuff, so I gotta separate what is and is not chibi. Let's see. So that's 2020. Oh my god, I've been doing BB tags since 2020. When's this? I did some shit even recently. Holy fuck me. I have a problem. Regardless, it is all organized. Look at how much I'm going to delete that the AI has already done work for. Insane. Boom. Like, holy shit, you guys see I have a chibi problem? You thought I was lying? How much did that get rid of? How much is this right now again? Oh yeah, it was. Oh wow, that barely did anything. Mad lad. Then I'll show you guys a little bit preview of BB Tag Chibi Adventures. Look.
Oh my god.
Yep, look at all the. Alright everyone, so I've decided there's too much chibi stuff and some of it is just me. Like they said, the wisecut AI is a motherfucker. By the way, link to the AI I used down below. Highly recommend you get this on Black Friday or a Christmas sale because they do have Christmas and sales and whatnot. And yeah, but holy crap, this is what I have to do. And it's only 22 gigs. This is actually taking up the other 10. So it's like, you know what? Well, we'll knock this out. All right, we just had a nice little lunch break. And, you know, like I said, BB Tag, I don't know if I'm going to put that somewhere in here. Like I said, right now it's purely skimming, then organizing. So I just put all these to the AI. I think, I forgot I had some VR chat stuff still. And I think there's another one, but I got to get to that whenever I can. So that's out the way. Cool. Progress report, Mr. Squidward. We have the, you guys see, was it 200 something? No, it's 324. We put all the vid related stuff into vids, so it's not as crowded. Granted, it looks a bit bigger, but boom. And these videos will be going to vids. Bam. And then our video projects will be right here, but we go to vids. Oh, actually, that VR chat one. Actually, that belongs over here in vids as well. Look at that, we're already getting this shit. VR chat. This goes in, where's games? This goes into anime clips. Look at that, guys. Look at how we are already getting everything mega organized. See, and then we within games, we go to PS4. This used to be 100. Now it's 53. And then for my Guilty Gear guys, we're about to find out how much of this I'm gonna keep and how much not. Right now, a lot of this beginning stuff was. I think this is me versus but look at there's some background Guilty Gear stuff, you guys. I might compile it because I don't feel like making a real video because I don't care about Guilty Gear. It is 2:42 a.m. Making sure it works. It's a lot. Like, trust me, I am going to get them out eventually. But the way it'll be is like music pictures, stream essentials. That's like, you know, my, you know, stream. So it could be at the end. But there's other shit. Like, I got extra clips I didn't want to do. My commentary reel that I still haven't finished. Then a video. Actually, now that I think about it, this actually needs to go in video. See? This part, we can just boop. And this is some personal stuff, actually. It's my baby bro. He's being a little cute baby. So if anything, oh, he went to Japan. And this goes right here. Boom. Oh, look at that. Then we got my rants, projects I need to work on, and YouTube reviews, a series I am working on. Other video projects. I think I have to leave that alone, if anything. Let's see. Yeah, regardless. Like, these are fairly, like, not that important, but definitely things that you need to get to, right? But regardless, this is always going to be there because it's on the side. There's other things here, right? Let me see. Size for you, 3 gigs. Size for VR. Oh, 11 gigs, goddamn. Yeah, and actually now I know exactly everything. 200, this one was 300 and something, so games is taking a lot. Best Friends is taking quite a bit. C63, most of it is because of Halo and the party one. But those are very easy to get rid of. Like, I could just pop in the ad because I still need to release a video. You guys will see of my sister playing Sports Champions because she is a crackhead. Those aren't too hard. The rest is other stuff. Wulong, we'll see how compiled. This one also is kind of easy. It's just the rail shooter of House of Dead and Resident Evil. You guys will see the Resident Evil one very soon. And yeah, no, there's a bunch of other stuff that I'm trying to get through. You see, and these you might see relatively soon, or if not later. But they're okay. These are videos like okay, right? Like me reviewing the Resident Evil movie, talking about Cali, how I'm talking, and of course, best games for when you're in delay, like a really bad internet, basically. Then Street Fighter 6 guide video I'm working on soon. And even a Tekken video I'm working soon, actually. So that's why these are like, semi-priority, right? Soon, this is a mad priority, Street Fighter 6. Also with Tekken, because the new one, these are whatever, but semi-soon. And this is also whenever, right? So I got everything more or less in my head. But hey, everything, I just finished. I'm like, what the? I did take a nap, so I didn't only do. So I think I spent about 5 hours doing all this. Because I initially trimmed and stuff. But yeah, you guys, this is part of the process of what it's like to actually be a YouTuber. Granted, I'm small, right? But I do put in effort, man. I do put in the bare minimum effort. I just thought it'd be a good video to get you guys all caught up with what I'm doing here. As you guys can see, and I do try to put it extra large. Like, oh, not even that bad, right? Oh, shit, actually, you know what? I don't like that. Just that's for fine wine. I still got to finish that series. So I got pictures. You know what? I think I can make this a bit bigger. Yeah, for now. This one, obviously, clearly. Oh, and this is for the combo vid. See, look at that. FGC Dojo games, yada, yada. But, I think I need to put this into... Damn, where would I put this? Bam, 240. I can eventually get rid of this. Twitch clips ain't that bad. Remember, I have 2 PS4s. That's PS4 1. It's PS4 2. Oh, wait, actually, this isn't as bad as I thought. But yeah, no. I'll end it here for this part, and then I'll show you guys part 2 where we watch some of the clips together. Because, oh my god, it's gonna be a bitch. I have Clockwork join us, because that seems like fun.